In today's Wix tutorial, I will show you how to set up your own blog on your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this video does help you out, please let me know by leaving a comment. Just tell me this works or it worked for me and I will know the tutorial is still up to date. Now let's get started. First off, you want to go over to the Wix site editor, and once you're on this screen, you simply want to go over to the add button and go over to blog. You'll then see start a blog, share your expertise and engage with your audience, increase its traffic with powerful SEO tools, build authority within your specialty, connect with your community and run your blog on the Wix mobile app. So what you want to do is to click on add to site and then Wix will add the blog to your website. You can now see that the blog has been added to our web page and also the Wix site search has been added automatically. You'll then see the blog pop up. And now what you need to do is to simply go over to create a post or manage posts. But before we're going to do this, you first want to go over to manage posts right here and make sure you delete all of the basic or default posts if there are any. So right here you can see the last published and you simply want to delete those because they're default templates and you never actually wrote them. So you just want to move them all to trash. And once you've done that, you want to go over to manage posts and create your first blog. So once you're in the blog dashboard, simply go over to create a new post and then start blogging. Now this will just be an example, so your catchy title. And of course you can also customize everything in here. Now except for the title, but inside of the blog itself you can customize basically everything and make it look the way you like it. Of course you can change text, colors and basically everything you can do in Word as well. If you'd like to add any additional files, just go over to the add button and click on either an image or anything else you'd like to add to your blog. So I want my image to be a little bit smaller and I also don't like the positioning. Yes, this is better. And now let's say this is my blog. You're simply going to click on publish and great, your post published. Click on go to editor and you'll then be sent over to the Wix website editor once again. And once it's loaded, you can go over to your page manager and go over to the blog. And now you'll see that we have added one blog to our website. Also, when you go over to save and then hit preview, you will also see that we have indeed added this blog to our website. We can click on it and we will then be sent over to the blog on our website. And that's all you need to know to start your own blog on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, please let me know by leaving a like. I try to make this video as simple and fast as possible, so I'd really appreciate it if you can also drop me a comment. And if you'd like to see more of these fast and simple Wix tutorials, please consider subscribing to this channel. And that's all for today's video.